if you want to watch the live, my live streaming room for DAX trading during the day, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on this pin to it. Here I have a description of how much it costs per month and or with the free version. Also you have 2 days free trial, and then you will be billed on a monthly basis. So you click on this link here, which will prompt you to small description here, and then you see the first 2 days is free, then is €19, 19 euro for each month. You go log in, and then you are able to subscribe. So I will give you the password and login details. Okay, hello everyone. So let's see where we are now. So we basically open gapped higher a little bit here now, testing yesterday's point of control. The question today is if we're going to hold this 643's area value area of yesterday low, and generally if we hold below 660's yesterday's point of control and previous week point of control 680's. As the more we hold here, the more likely to take out 600 than 580's, which is this area down here. If this happens, perhaps we'll see some nice continuation towards this less traded area. Next level is 520's at this high volume node here. The price action so far seems identical to yesterday. We opened, got a little higher, opened and driving lower. So we need to see if this is about to hold and trend lower. So I initiated the short position here against these levels. We need to see if we see a retest of initial balance low, or if this will spike up to 680's. So far holding resistance at midpoint and volume weighted average price. Scale out first part of the position. If this is about to remain a downtrend, we need to see what it does in initial balance low. If it goes towards yesterday's low area here for a retest of 611, 600, 611 area here, and what it does there. Price testing initial balance low, scale out second part of the position here. Need to see if this will remain a downtrend, and we tagged yesterday's lows and 600 area. Next level is this 580's previous week value area high. Flatten the short position here, price failed to extend lower, now above volume weighted average price. We need to see now if it holds above and goes up to 680's. I got long here for this against initial balance low 630's, so looking for something like this. Of course, a retest and a hold support here will be greater. So we have the new 30-minute candle open here and held support so far at this initial balance low on European cash opening price. If this is about to hold, we need to see if price will exaggerate towards the upside. Although still haven't traded down to yesterday's low, so we need to see if price wants to move above here. Will be quite fast, I guess, because it's yesterday's value area level. So if it goes above this 643's level, then likely to go towards 700's. Scale out the long position here. Now it's a key level here, midpoint of initial balance area and point of control of yesterday's range 58. So if we go above, likely to see 680's here and initial balance high, and see what it does there, if this is a good short opportunity for continuation. Otherwise, if this holds above 680's, we'll look for a move up to 718's. 700's first, then 780's value area high of yesterday. So the idea is if price cannot accept value below yesterday's value area and goes back in, then we'll move up to value area high of yesterday's session. Price breaking out here, scale out the position further. Now next area of resistance is this 680's weekly point of control. Straight up here, pricing spiking higher, scale out further the position. Now we need to see the 680's. You see when you have something which is not developed, then you wait the best opportunity to trade the other scenario. So key level 680s. Okay, so price pulled back too much here for a continuation, failed to retest this 680s. This would have been great short opportunity, although I missed that. Still holding a part of the long position now to see if we find direction, although as said earlier, still hasn't take out yesterday's lows here, so we need to see how this will be eventually be traded. If it fails to hold above here and then goes towards 600.
Okay, so here we are a few minutes until the US cash open. Everyone is waiting Janet Yellen to talk in half an hour's time, if I'm not mistaken. So we can see basically today I shorted here initially for a move lower, then covered the position, scale out and covered the position here. Then I saw next 30-minute candle opened and held support at initial balance low. Price rallied here, scale out the position, then failed to extend towards this 680 level of previous week point of control up here, so I would like to have shorted this, but now still have a short position on for a move lower. We need to see if it goes down towards 600's daily chart that we failed again once 800 to break above. Now we took down yesterday's low, but still holding above, so the question now is if we go towards 600 then or even lower here, or if it holds the lows here and bounce.
Nice area of resistance, this midpoint of first hour of cash trading range here failed again, failed above midpoint of initial balance range here, so we need to see now if we manage to take down the low and go for a day's low retest, if not lower. Of course needs to go below the US cash opening price. SPY is holding the highs, so if SPY fails to extend, then DAX will go further down. It's interesting to see if we tag today the all-time highs here in $1 distance on SPY. Here you can see since this break failure to go below this range here, then held support on Trump election, and now at the highs we need to see if this will be real or if a massive resistance from here due to Yellen press conference later. Extensive new lows for the nice tick. Now if this is about to continue, DAX will go towards the low of the day likely.
Have a dollar index here pushing higher, and we see exaggeration towards the moves of DAX and likely SPY in a second. I sorted here against the 680s level, need to see if we pull back inside the range again in the midpoint. So price held resistance so far at first hour of cash trading range high. We need to see if this is about to remain because pushing higher and higher. This is due to dollar strength basically. So we need to see if dollar basically flattens and stays there, and SPY goes to 18, then this is likely to go towards the volume weighted average price 645 or so. Okay, so here we are, the European cash close price still at 680 level. We need to see now that the cash close that if it holds support and goes up to 700, or if it goes all the way down towards 622s.